Alright, this task is a great one to have students wrestle with in groups. Some might initially think as m equals 0 as the exception, and it kind of is in some ways, but really it still fits into that same paradigm. And even if they want to insist that that's an exception, ask them to find another one. The real one, of course, is vertical lines, namely lines that correspond to infinite slope. And the way to think about that is lines that are so steep that you can never go across. So think about it as you're sort of running along, bang, and you bang into a brick wall, and the only way you can go is up. Or like a rock face that you're trying to go up. A rock face is kind of interesting because sometimes rock faces are like that. And in this case, as you climb up, you actually go backwards. So that's negative slope. So all of a sudden these things start to fall into place. So the actual equation for this is obviously going to be x equals some constant, right? X equals some constant. This is often glossed over in traditional presentations, but I think it's good to be upfront about the fact that y equals mx plus b isn't all the lines. So I like to point out that y equals mx plus b doesn't actually capture all of them because the slope could be infinite, which would be a line going straight up. Anyway, that's just me.